Aloha, my name is Stephen Daniel Javier. I'm an electrical engineering major at Manoa, and I'm taking a class CE 270 at Kapiolani Community College about structural engineering and applied mechanics. And for this presentation I did for this class, it is called the Photovoltaic Future Designing Resilient Solar Infrastructure for Leeward Community College. Basically, the implementation of PV panels at LCC. The biggest problem here in Hawaii, and especially places like LCC, the Leeward Community College campus, is that we depend too much on fossil fuels in order to supply the campus with electricity. And especially on this campus, there is a lot of idle space, a lot of parking lots that could be used and transformed to supply renewable energy to the campus buildings. Now, especially how high electricity bills are on this island, we need to decrease our dependence on fuel from HECO fossil fuels and to create a more sustainable environment for LCC and for other UH campuses in order to create a better future of the people and for Hawaii. Now, where is this proposed location for this PV panel array? I'm proposing to implement the PV panel array at the adjacent freeway loop next to the campus. As you can see in the red box, there is a plot of land that is not being used. It is just sitting there that could be used for renewable energy, for example, PV panel array, next to the campus so it can supply the campus with renewable energy. Below, over here, is the PV panels. We have some trees to cover it. And through simulation, we found that it's able to produce 400,000 kilowatt hours in 1 year. Annually, that's equal to supplying one mid-sized academic building for the entire year, or 65 households per year. We use the simulator Aladdin, in order to find the results. And to conclude this presentation, at the core of this project, we like to give back to the community. We like to do our stewardship, malama aina, and it's important to take care of the land that takes care of us, and to opt in for more ways of taking care of the environment, such as renewable energy, sustainable energy, and solar. We can become a more self-sufficient people and become a more self-sufficient Hawaii. Thank you.